Check this out. You can earn 120% with $10 ad backs. You can get $10 to view an ad. And wait, there is more. $5 minimum payout. They pay in crypto, and crypto is going up. And also, you can earn 100% referral earnings. You refer a friend, he makes 10 bucks, you get 10 bucks. You sit back, relax, you wait it out, he works for you, and you earn money passively. How cool is that? Free online money. Online, double online. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. And if you're new, you gotta know that me and my team have 2 video editors. We upload over 3 videos every single day for your value. And the reason we want to do that is we want to take over the make money online niche. We don't want to see any BS tutorials, 20-30 minute videos just to show your website. We'll do that for you in 2 or 3 minutes so you don't waste any time. If you appreciate that, make sure you subscribe so you always see the videos first, and also like the video to help us out, because you know this helps us so much with the YouTube algorithm. You have no idea. And to just give back to you, we can shout you out in one of the next videos. Just comment your YouTube account, Instagram account, TikTok account down below. We'll take it, we'll put it in the shout out jar because you're awesome.
Thank you.
We'll shout you out in one of the next videos just like this. Black shirt, black cup, red accent, red watch. How cool is that? Well, there's something cooler, and it's this website. It's called optimalbucks.com, and you can start earning by completing tasks like visiting advertisements, viewing ads, as we said, referring friends, promoting the site obviously on your Facebook, whatever, if you want to. The minimum cash out is $5, so you don't have to get $10, $20, $50 to just cash out. And there's 62 members just today. Today is the 4th of November for me. Maybe when you're watching this video it's a few days after, but 62 people just today. Let me know in the comment section how many people are there signed up when you're watching the video. And they have different ways of actually making money online. You can check it out for yourself. But the cool thing about it is, with this website, you have detailed statistics of your referral clicks. So if some of your friends joins the website, you can have statistics of how much money he's earning, and he can earn money for you while you just sit back and relax. If you like the video, make sure you actually like it by just scrolling down, clicking the like button. It really helps us out. As I said, remember, this is all financial medical advice. Do your own due diligence, yada yada yada. By the end of this video, check this video or this video out. While you remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away. See you next one. Bye.